So my 8-year-old want to drive. You heard that? So he's ready to go. So I said, how about we, bring out the cameras. Let's go.
I thought you was gonna stay over there and put it there.
You got that thing started up? Get your seat, big man. So we don't need any music because I'm going to be doing all the talking and teaching.
Where's that little button? 2.
2. You heard him? 10 and 2.
I'm gonna put in the brake. Alright.
Let's go.
Put on the brake.
We got the parking brakes on, so you have to release the parking brake. There you go.
I did?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Take your mirrors. You can put your window up, please.
Oh.
Anything? Check your surroundings. Check your mirrors. Anything?
I only see something right there.
Check your mirrors too. Don't just use that camera. If you don't got it, let's go straight back. Nice and easy. Pay attention to what you're doing. You need to watch how far we're going by. Come on, let's go. Easy. Shouldn't be stopping. It should be easy.
Turn this way?
Straight back. Straight back. Straight back. Nice and slow. Nice and easy. Keep going. Come on, T. Straight back. Keep going. Give you enough room to make your turn.
Right here?
That's cool. You think you can make that turn?
No.
No, what you gotta do? Look, you right here. Slow down. See? Alright, can't go no more.
Right here? No.
You tell me. Stop. Stop. You gotta turn. You're not turning. Let's go. Keep going, great.
Right?
That's probably it. I'm with you.
This one?
Let's get it. So far, the young king is doing a great job, man. He's maxing and relaxing. He's obeying all traffic laws and stops and signs and everything of that nature. He's also staying on his side of the road. That's also a great thing. You understand that? Some people don't do that. Got oncoming traffic coming right now. Got to stay on your side of the road. He's doing a great job with that. So far, so great. The speed limit is?
15.
Look, it's right there. You're not reading. What is it?
I didn't see it.
It says 25. It's your job to see all traffic signs. It's your job to see all the traffic signs. Don't go that way. They got cars. Why you going that
I
way?
was going straight.
All right, go ahead. Why? You got cars and stuff coming that way. Why would you go where they got things there? That's a bad decision. If you just want to stay out of harm's way, you understand?
Keep going straight.
Wherever you go, I want you to make the good decisions. And whatever way you go, you see what's going on, you got to make an observation. And then from your observation, you have to make a decision.
I think I'm going to need a little bit of help right here.
I think you got it. I think you got it.
Right here.
I think you can handle it. You just use all your tools and stuff that we've been using throughout our time driving. Pay attention what you're doing. And I think you can handle it if you're doing that. Paying attention when we moving anywhere, the same type of thing that we got to do. Maybe a different space, maybe a different area. But the lessons that you have learned, I think you can knock it out.
In the garage?
Go that way, you're gonna need a little help somehow. I start coming back. Little bit, not so tight.
Right.
Go ahead and cut on in there. Pay attention. Slow. Straighten it up. You gotta straighten it up as you go. Slow. Straighten it up. Slow. You gotta remember slow. We're going in the garage. Straighten it up. You slow it down. Straighten it up. Come on. Straighten the back of your car up and you slow it down. So we just came back from our drive. I think it was pretty cool. Y'all be the judge of that. Y'all let me know what y'all thoughts are. We have a person knocking on our window. Just press a number and it's going to go back to where it needs to go. And we are back, safe and sound. So I think it was great, man. More and more practice to get you right. How do you feel about your drive, big man?
Great.
How did you feel about your drive?
Great.
How did you do? Did you follow all the traffic signs? Did you do what you were supposed to?
Yes.
Come on, talk to us.
I said yes.
Talk to us. Tell us something. What you do?
At the stop sign, I stopped. I got to work on that brake stop going so fast when you're coming in on the garage.
You see what happened? You want to tease DJ all day today, so you started making the same mistake that DJ was making. Should have been teasing DJ. That's why it's not cool to tease people.
Open the passenger seat.
That's why it's not cool to tease. Because then you make the same mistake. You need to learn from it. You don't tease anybody, you learn from it.
Teasing is don't. Some people will cry like
Exactly. So we don't tease.
people will cry like teasing.
Don't do that. You can hurt yourself.
Watch the go. It doesn't scratch.
So where can we find you at? Where can we find you at?
Stop teasing.
That's true. But I'm saying, where can we find you at on social media? Do you have a
Curious
YouTube
Corn.
channel?
Curious Corn.
What you want them to do? How much likes you want on this? Come on.
I think 200,000 likes.
I think I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel.
Oh.
The 8-year-old driving. What you think about that?
Yes.
And I'm going to tag your YouTube channel in it. How that sound? Oh, maybe we do something different. We never know. And we out.